First tribes tell their stories about how good and noble they are, and how the neighbor's tribe is dirty scum, and all of them should be murdered! Killed, of course, killed. It's legit killed in war. And they are murdering us, and we are killing him in holy war. Like all wars. But what's the point of these stories? Because the story in what it's a person tells plus how they perceive the situation, and every time a person recalls the story they rewrite in their head. The same story change rest color dependence of the mood. If you live in a constant offense and anger, you will remember the same story as you kind of heavenly punishment. But if you're in a descent, slightly upbeat mood, you will recall this with amusement.